welcome to science class. Today we are going to be studying the effects of a collision on an object. Now, what is a collision? A collision is when two objects, one can be in motion or still and the other is in motion, so you always have one object, at least one object in motion during a collision. But during a collision, those two objects come together and they exert a force on each other. So today we are going to be kind of diving into that force. What does it look like? We're going to need two things. We're going to need a cup tower. You can build it with 3, you can build it with 6, or you can build it with 10 cups, however many you have on hand. And then you're going to need a small object. It can be an eraser, it can be a tennis ball, it could be a softball, anything you have on hand. Now we're going to do 2 demonstrations with our cup tower. So in our first demonstration, we are going to use our object to make a small collision. We're going to give it a gentle push. In the second demonstration, we're going to take our object and give it a slightly harder push. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is build your cup tower. I'll let you guys pause the video here and give you some time to get your cup towers built. Great, now that everyone's got their cup towers built, let's go ahead and start our experiment. So first I'm going to take my object and I'm going to give it a gentle push towards my tower. Let's see what happens. Not much happened, did it? What happened to your towers? I'll let you guys pause the video here and draw your observations on what happened on your towers. Great. Now, let's see what happens when I apply more force to make a bigger collision and use a bigger push. Which push had more of an effect on our tower? Was it the gentle push or was it the harder push? Let's take a minute to discuss.